In this video, I'm going to introduce the Adams-Bashforth methods. So here are the three first methods to look at. The one step, which is always the same as Euler. The two-step method, where you go one step in the past. Three-step method, 3 steps in the past. And a four-step method, 4 steps into the past to predict the future time point. Note that for every single step you add an order. So order h squared for 2-step, cubed for 3-step, and to power 4 for 4-step. So just to illustrate an example, so I'm just going to use the 2-step, which is wn plus 1 is equal to wn plus h over 2, 3, fwn, comma, tn, minus fwn minus 1, comma, tn minus 1. Square bracket, square bracket. So let's take a very simple differential equation to start with. dy dt is equal to 0.5, and I'm actually going to add a thing, so that's y plus t squared. Okay, and y of 0 is equal to 1. And we're interested from 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 1. I'm not going to solve it. All I'm going to do is just set up the equation. So that gets us the specific two-step Adams-Bashforth. Our equation, rearrange that. That should be w then t, just to make it consistent. Tn, wn, tn minus 1, wn minus 1. So we have ft comma y is equal to 0.5 y plus t squared. So how do we set our Bashforth? We want to predict the future. wi plus 1 is equal to wi plus h, plus h divided by 2, 3 times 0.5 wn plus t squared tn, close bracket, minus bracket 0.5 wn minus 1 plus tn minus 1 squared, bracket. Now, the issue here is, and this is always to note, if we set I is equal to 0, what we have here is w1 is equal to w0 plus h divided by 2, 3, 0.5 w0 plus t squared 0 minus 0.5 w minus 1 plus t minus 1 squared. And we do not know what this is. So we can't do it. Or, now we also have an issue with, we go straight to I is equal to 1. That gives me w2 is equal to w1 plus h over 2. 3 times 0.5 w1 plus t squared 1 minus 0.5 w0 plus t0 squared. Now, we do know this. We do know that. We do not know w1. So here, to make this, address this, and this is the issue with all Bashforth methods, must approximate w1. So we must approximate w1 for the two-step Adams-Bashforth. Well, for the 3 steps, we have to approximate w1 and w2. For the fourth step, we have to approximate W1, W2, W3. So that's where the extra work comes in. You have to solve for these first before you can start using the method.